What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to RPEG Electronics. This is Ray again, and today I want to show you my favorite karaoke amplifier all-in-one that I like to install for my clients. I use this pretty much every week. This is the Boway K78. This is a 3-channel mixer with amplifier built in. It's got about I would say 600 watts of RMS power. All right, and right now I'm using it to power these two very large Polk Monitor 70 speakers that my friend Yubi gave me today because they were taking up too much space in this house, and well, you guys can see why. They're huge. They're about 4 feet tall, and they should be using about 200 watts, 150 to 200 watts each. I haven't checked yet, actually. So I'm going to show you guys how this works really simply. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. Okay. Your first 3 inputs are real simple. That's just your microphone inputs. Okay. Your individual mic volumes, mic 1, 2, and 3. Your mic treble, mid, and bass controls. If you get some howling feedback, you want to turn the treble down a little bit. Okay. Your echo effect is going to be over here. That's the most important part of a karaoke mixer. How good is your echo effect? Can you adjust the delay and repeat? How long it between each echo, like hello, hello, and how many times it echoes. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. Your balance, you always want to leave right in the middle because, well, we have stereo here, so we don't need it to go left or right. Treble and bass control for the music. Your microphone master knob. This master knob will control all 3 of these. So if your mics are different brands, sometimes one microphone might be lower than the other. You might want to jack up the volume on mic number 2, and then to adjust all of them at once, you can just turn this knob over here. Okay. All right, and then we have your music volume. Yeah, right over here. All right. On the back, I'm going to show you why I really love this one. I'm going to zoom back out again a little bit. All right, this setup is really simple. Okay, all we have here are your inputs for your audio, audio 1 and audio 2. Okay, this is your audio out in case you want to output to another receiver. So basically this acts as a mixer for pretty much anything else. Okay, the output for video, this is for the old school karaoke's. We don't really use this anymore. All right, and you can connect up to 4 pairs of speakers here. Okay, so on the left side is going to be the right speaker, on this side is going to be the left speaker. I know, a little confusing, but I have my banana plugs plugged into here, into those speakers over there. It has a cooling fan built in, so that's pretty great. And right over here, this is my favorite feature. We have an extra power plug here. You can just plug in any 2-pin anything, and it will always be on because it's bypassing this power plug into the wall. So this actually saves you 1 power plug. You can have your microphones on top. You can have your karaoke on top, as long as it uses a 2-pin connector. That's great. It really saves you a lot of space. I like to use this to charge my microphones, actually. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just run our audio cable from our karaoke. Okay, this is our usual karaoke all-in-one unit. Just gonna go into the left and right inputs. That's it. Okay, when it turns on, I'm gonna pick a more fun song. This is slightly depressing. Look how good that sounds. you guys can feel how strong that bass is. I don't know how I was going to capture on camera over here, but it's really strong. When I tried these speakers with a lesser amp, like a small Class D amp, it just didn't have the same effect. Now, of course, what's good as a karaoke amplifier if it doesn't have a mixer? So here's our usual little microphone receiver. Gonna plug that right in. I got my mic here. Turn on the mic volume. Hello. It sounds really strong. Because you have 2 levels of gain here, you can get a lot of power from the microphone. Whereas some mixers, it only really has like 1 level of gain or no boost for the microphone. So you have to crank up the volume on your receiver and then lower the music volume to compensate. You don't have any of those problems with this guy over here. It's well worth the cost. This costs about $500 to $550 after tax, but it's really worth it. 忆童年时，竹马青梅，两相无猜，日夜相随。And of course, if you wanted to, you can actually kill off the echo completely and use it as a PA speaker. Hello. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.